My hobby, photography. What do you do in your free time? I've always loved the outdoors, and my hobby is photography. Have you got a camera? Do you like taking photos? Well, it's my favorite thing in the whole world. I go to the countryside to take my photos. National parks are usually great places. I love getting images of all the animals. The landscapes are great too. It's such an easy hobby because all you need is a camera. My camera is really good, but there are more expensive and better quality ones for professionals. I've got 3 different lenses. That means I can take photos from close up or from far away. I keep everything in my camera bag. It's got padding to protect all the equipment. Photography really helps me relax. I can get out of the city for the weekend, and it's so quiet in the fields and woods. The fresh air is so clean and refreshing too. When I upload my photos a few days later, I always get great comments from friends and followers. I put lots of my photos online to share. So, what about you? What do you love to do? Would you ever think about taking up photography?